Hi guys, welcome back. In our previous lesson, we learned how to use comparative adjectives like better, faster, stronger to compare people or things. However, these adjectives can only be used to compare two objects. But what if you want to compare three or even more objects? We need something called a superlative adjective. Take a look at this example. Taipei 101 is taller than the Jinmao Tower, but the Burj Khalifa is the tallest. Have you noticed anything different between these two sentences? Well, there are a couple. The first difference is in their endings. While most comparative adjectives end with ER, most superlative adjectives end with EST. So, tall, taller, the tallest. Superlative adjectives follow rules similar to comparative adjectives. So, rule number 1, for most single-syllable adjectives, we only need to add EST at the end. So, short, shorter, the shortest. Long, longer, the longest. Fast, faster, the fastest. Rule number 2, if the second to last letter in the adjective is a vowel, then double the last consonant, then add EST at the end. So, big, bigger, the biggest. Fat, fatter, the fattest. Hot, hotter, the hottest. Rule number 3, if the adjective ends with a Y, remove the Y, then add IES at the end. So, pretty, prettier, the prettiest. Crazy, crazier, the craziest. Friendly, friendlier, the friendliest. Rule number 4, if the adjective has 2 or more syllables and doesn't end with a Y, then add most in front of the adjective. So, handsome, more handsome, the most handsome. Wonderful, more wonderful, the most wonderful. Amazing, more amazing, the most amazing. Rule number 5, exceptions. Like comparative adjectives, there are some adjectives that just don't follow any of the rules. So, good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. Far, farther, the farthest. By now, I hope you've noticed the second difference between comparative and superlative adjectives. Superlative adjectives always come with the. But why is that? In English, the is used to signify that the thing you're talking about is special or unique. And there could only be one best, tallest, hottest, or prettiest. Got it? Good. Remember, if you'd like more practice, please consider becoming a patron. You'd get access to more useful learning materials, and you'll have us create better contents for you. As always, if you liked today's episode, please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. That's it for our lesson today. Catch you later.